brown, white, risotto. Which one do you prefer? Or you can make it obviously in your Thermomix, but today I'm going to show you my to-go white recipe with some carrots and corn. So here, family from Latin America, we use rice most of the days, and I like this one that you are going to find Cookidoo as arroz blanco con verduras. It's like white rice with small amount of veggies. And I know that recipe is in Spanish, so far I haven't found, but for sure there is in English. But if you want to know or have a video that I have that I already recorded, how to translate recipes from different languages, let me know. I'm going to add the carrots, 100 grams of carrots, and we are going to chop. Thermomix is going to chop for me 2 seconds, speed 5. Here are the carrots. I'm going to use onion. I'm going to add garlic. Remember that we can peel the garlic here in the Thermomix. I'm going to add a little vegetable oil, and I'm going to close Thermomix with the lid, and we are going to chop one more time, 5 seconds. Set up 4 minutes, 120 degrees, speed 1. Thermomix is going to be cooking for you. I'm going to add water. Remember that you only need to press stir to use the scale. The simmering basket. I'm going to have you seen that this lid has this part? This one is going to be aligned in this position, and I'm going to add I can add even until 300 grams of rice. Remember our vegetables. So I'm going to add the carrots, and also at this moment I'm going to add a little of corn also. Why not? I'm going to mix it a little with the spatula, not a lot. I'm going to add a coriander. Here, some coriander on the top. I'm going to close. I'm going to use the lid one more time, and I'm going to set up 27 minutes speed for temperature baroma. In this moment, you have 27 minutes. Thermomix is going to be cooking for you, and electricity is running. So what do you think you can cook at the same time? In my case, I'm going to cook some carrots at the same time here. But if you have more people or more things that you want to cook in advance, maybe for dinner for tomorrow, what about have a broccoli here with carrots or whatever vegetable, and here at the top you can add some fish or chicken, egg, something like that. You have 2 options. If you don't want to be dripping the chicken or the fish, for example, you can use baking paper in that case, or you can use this accessory. You can use this flexi stick. It's like a baking paper, but only that you can wash all the time, and it's specifically fit perfectly in the baroma. So you can add here, as I mentioned to you, an omelette or fish or something else. You put together everything, and only be sure that this one is in baroma, and remove the lid, put in this position, cover, and everything is going to be ready in 27 minutes. So let's see. After the 27 minutes, only be careful. This one is going to be very hot, so open in this direction so the steam go away, and this part is going to help you like a tray. And here are the carrots. The carrots are ready, and this one specifically is going to be for my dog that he loves. But really, you can steam everything open this one, remember, to avoid more cleaning area. And here we are going to use the hook of the spatula to remove the rice. Do you remember that we put it specifically in one position, the simmering basket? So with that hook, we are going to use like this. Okay, only be careful because this one is hot. So I recommend to practice to pick up the hook before it's empty. It's cold. Open it carefully because obviously it's very hot. And transfer. And we are going to keep it closed about 10 minutes before you enjoy. And it's going to be ready. So here it is. Use the spatula to give some air, to give more fluffiness. And I'm going to close this one and keep ready for 10 minutes before we eat. So any question, please let me know. Follow me for more tips with Thermomix. Save, share, and kiss. Bye bye.